Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the channel Sacred Water. In this noisy world, let's start the powerful, gorgeous morning and purify our mind with this wisdom. Today, let us together enjoy and get soaked with this divine knowledge seed given by our Gurudev, our beloved Gurudev, Sri Ravi Shankar. Don't forget to share your thoughts and point of view in the comment section after listening. We only remember what we write and repeat. Let's start. Jai Gurudev. Good morning, everyone. In daily life, we are doing so much work, so different things we are doing throughout the whole day, and sometimes it makes puzzled all of us finding meaning. What is the main cause of my existence? Why am I here? To find this meaning, we search many things, we read books, but in today's knowledge sheet, Gurudev is talking about this thing, that what am I here for? So beautifully, he is covering all the points. Let's read the knowledge sheet, which will elevate our knowledge to understand what am I here for. So let's start. Jai Gurudev, April 10th, 1996, Jakarta, Indonesia. Knowledge sheet 44, Vivek. Vivek means discrimination, the knowledge that everything is changing. Time and again you have to reawaken to this, that the world, people, our body, our emotions, all are constantly changing. When you experience sorrow, understand that Vivek has been overshadowed. Question: what am I here for? Gurudev: find out what you are not here for. And he is giving 8 points. A. You are not here to blame. B. You are not here to cry. C. You are not here to sleep. D. You are not here to show off. E. You are not here to fight. F. You are not here to be miserable. G. You are not here to be angry. H. You are not here to worry. And Gurudev is saying lastly, when you follow fun, only follow fun, misery follows you. When you follow knowledge, fun follows you. So beautiful. There are some incidents happened in that day. So let's read out the news flash. What happened that day? In Melbourne, Australia, Gurudev activated the fire alarm, and at the airport he activated the metal detector. After a beautiful advanced course, Gurudev is now in joyful Jakarta, where Kim and her entourage greeted the master with great fanfare at the airport. He later blessed the land for a new ashram, an initiative taken by our dear Kim's husband, Mr. Tolani. Jakarta is vibrating with 4 satsangs a day and flooding with tears of joy and devotion. Wow! So Gurudev was in Jakarta. So in this knowledge sheet, what is my takeaways? That Vivek. The title of this page was Vivek. Vivek means that awareness which help us to understand that the nature of changing, the changing nature of the world and everything including our body, our emotions, our thoughts. And Gurudev is saying that when we feel sorrow, that is the most dominant negative vibrations we always feel that sorrow within us for different type of actions we take in our lifetime. That sorrow happens when the Vivek is overshadowed. When we forget that everything will be in a changing mode. What is for today it will not be for tomorrow, or what was there in past not be in the present. So everything is changing, and because of this changing we cannot hold on to the particular incident. That is the thing. And Gurudev is saying the philosophy that how to discover that what am I here for. This is the biggest question in the lifetime. This is the only question I think most people asked in their lifetime, and this brings the happiness when we get the real answer. But the real answer cannot be described in a particular word. So there is the philosophy Gurudev presented here. They find out or rule out what you are not here for. And these things are so beautiful that you are not in the 8 points, that you are not here to blame, to cry, to sleep, to show off, to fight, to be miserable, to be angry, to worry. We are not here for all of this, but we do 90% of things like this. We blame others, we cry most of the time what has not happened to us, the best thing, we cry for that thing. We sleep to get rid of the tough times. Sometimes to get the power we show off that yes, I can do this, I can do that. We fight over the mundane things, that this is mine, this is not yours. And because of that we get also miserable. Simply. And that being misery, we sometimes get frustrated and get angry. And we start worrying about the future. We do all these things, but we are not here for all those things, we know for sure. So, the 50% cloud is clear, that what we are not here for. When we drop this fear, drop these things, what we are not here for, we are very close to what we are here for. I think everyone, we should meditate with these things, and we will get the glimpse what we are here for. Share what you liked in this knowledge sheet, and we only remember what we share. And it also brings me joy when you share your point of view in the comment section. That motivates me. Thank you for joining today in this session. Wish you all a happy day ahead. Jai Gurudev. Jai Gurudev. With this, we conclude today's session. Let's share in the comment section that what really touched your heart or anything you want to add. Wish you a peaceful journey for today. Jai Gurudev.